Good morning, guys. It is 10:14 on Saturday morning, and I'm tired. And I'm going to get the dog, because Sully wants to come in. Hold on, Sully. Hi, Maddie. Maddie's on the... Hey, Mom! Where did the sheet go from the couch? Okay. Because normally we have a sheet on this couch, because if you live with animals, or if you just, if you know, it's good to have like sheets or blankets on your furniture. So, yeah. Hold on, let me get the dog. Hi, Maddie. How are you? This is Maddie. She is 12 years old. We got her when I was in 6th grade. So what was that like? I was 10 or 11? Maybe 11? I don't know. Maddie. And Sully here, we got him when I was going into my senior year of high school. So he's like 6 years old because I've been out of school for like 6 years. Yep. And y'all know Hope is almost 3. So, yep, these are my babies. She's the oldest. Sully is the middle child. And Hope is the baby. But Hope is my baby. But these are my secondary babies. You want to go out too? Alright, they're all out enjoying some sun. Hi, guys. Excuse me. Got a little tickle in my throat. So it's currently 12:10. And I am sitting outside trying to wake myself up because truly I feel like if I let myself go lay down, I could probably sleep the whole day. I don't know what is up with my energy level. I just don't feel like I am where I normally am. I don't know if it's just like dealing with the stress of Hope and like, her being sick and then going to the doctors and medications and all that stuff, which she's doing good. Last night, she had a much better night than she had previously, like meaning the last 2 nights. So she's doing good. And yeah. But like I don't know. So I don't know if it's like the stress of that or I don't know. But I'm really tired, and like today is one of those days where like I'm sitting in the sun right now, but I have a sweater on. Granted it's like a thinner sweater, but like it's still a sweater. And I'm chilly, so like it's one of those days where you want to like snuggle up with a blanket and just like I don't know, rest. Which I know that a lot of people preach rest and like listen to your body and rest and whatever, but there's also a point where like you need to like push yourself, kind of like you gotta do stuff, like gotta be up at least some point of the day. I don't know. So I'm trying to just like, cause like the thing I like about the power chair is that you can recline in it, but you're still sitting. So like maybe if I just like recline back just a little bit and just sit in the sun for a few minutes, maybe it'll get my vitamin D up and I'll get some energy. But yeah, I'm trying to listen to my body while also trying to be like, no, your brain says you need to do something, you know? So, yeah, let me know if you guys also have that struggle. Like, you guys are like, oh, I want to do something. Like, you know, we went to go get apples yesterday, right? And then, like, today, my mom was like, well, what do you want to do? Because we usually try to do something, like, every day. And, you know, I'm like, I don't know. So, I'm like, honestly, I could go back to bed right now. Which is weird, because if you know me, you know I'm in bed by, like, 9 p.m. And, you know, I don't know. So I'm just trying to take one day at a time right now and see what happens.
Hang on, let me get the...
Hey guys. So we're back inside and we are making lunch, and today for lunch we're gonna do...
Ready?
Yeah. We're gonna do...
You want to put it this way? The wrong way?
Huh?
I'll do it this way so you can
Sure.
look straight up.
We're gonna do make your own pizza. Next, we have our pizza sauce. I am personally not a huge fan of, like...
Just put as much as you want. Like, if you want it light, put it light.
I'm personally not a huge fan of a lot of pizza sauce. So when I make my own pizza, I have it on the lighter side. And next we have our cheese, our mozzarella. I'm sure my Italian cousins would say that I'm pronouncing it wrong, but
Okay.
in the oven it goes. So we made it to the mailbox and putting in my absentee ballot application.